So here's how you can verify your personal profile on Instagram. So for that reason, first of all, you're gonna open up the Instagram application, and then from here you need to long press on your profile icon, long press on it, and then as you can see guys, we have this profile. So right after it, it is saying go to account center. Simply tap on that. Then again, you need to scroll it down until you find this one, subscriptions. So tap on the subscription and then you will get the meta verified option. So tap on that. Now you can simply get all of these benefits after getting the subscription. So unlock benefit, tap on that once again, and then it is showing how much money you have to pay to get this profile verified. All right, then you need to pay that with any of your details or credit card. So simply add a credit card and pay the bill, then you will get the blue tick right beside your name. So this is only for those who are not that much like famous. So if you are a regular person but want to verify your Instagram account, you need to just buy the subscription and it will cost you around like $10 per month. So that's how you can simply verify your personal profile on Instagram. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.